Hi friends, welcome everyone. Today I am going to explain about medicinal properties of Tulsi or Basil plant. Tulsi is considered as a mother by Hindus. Tulsi, which is basil in botany, has many medicinal properties. Basil is antibiotic, which increases immunity if taken every day. It is believed that if a person consumes basil every day, he or she can live a long and healthy life as the plant prevents diseases and stabilizes health. Moreover, the fragrance of Tulsi averts mosquitoes and other insects. It is also believed that snakes do not tread near Tulsi plant, and therefore, ancient people used to plant Tulsi near their houses.